Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. I'm searching for a PNR train in the Philippines that comes through as close to Cavite as possible. It's my understanding from a friend of mine that it does come through Tondo and some really rural areas. I'm looking for a shot to where it will be a place that's very trashy, and that would be great. Just the scenery I'm looking for my film. And also understand it goes through Laguna, the PNR train in the Philippines. So if anyone has any extra information such as locations and times of day to where I can film, that would be great. It'll probably be sometime shortly after the first of the year for filming. And I really want to get this for some of the good shots of my first experimental horror film. All right, so do contact me at the Morbid Team Entertainment page concerning this. All right, thanks a lot, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our barter, buy, and sell group of Morbid Team Entertainment, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.